Friends, hello, glad you are here. It is Friday, the market is wrapped up here for this week, and many of you are out hitting the town tonight, but let's talk about one stock that has been, let's say, gaining a lot of popularity and is blowing up as we speak right now, and is probably just going to continue to have massive gains here. So, talking about Pltr here, this is a company, a stock that I have been piling money into as of lately because they have just been having amazing revenue incomes, beating quarterlies, and continuing to grab new contracts, bigger contracts, and just doing a lot of things out there. So let's talk about what's going on here. So just in the past 5 days here, this week, more than not, we've seen the stock here go from May 8th from right under an $8 mark to now, a little time passed here to May 19th today, we are seeing the stock right under a $12 mark. Now, a lot of people think this is going to be a stock that is really going to be like maybe, I don't know, like the next Elf, where, Elf was one of those stocks, those beauty companies that a lot of people really didn't think was going to do much. And, we see where that's gone to today. Now, one big reason this company, their stock share has jumped so dramatically here in the past this week alone. Cathie Woods of ARK Investment. Many of you know her. If you don't know her, you should probably look up what this lady does because she is really good at picking stocks and making money. Now, obviously, she misses things here and there, but she admits when she does. Now, this week, Cathie Woods here picked up quite a few shares of Pltr here at a value of $3.4 million. Now, back on May 8th there, like we talked about just a moment ago, the company came out with its quarterlies. It beat expectations. It had over 23% for the earnings of that quarter that it came out with, which right there at that point, the stock automatically started gaining attention, building this hump right here, right under $10. Then it just kind of played around this $10 mark. And then Cathie Woods here comes out and she says, hey, ARK Investment is buying up this amount X shares. And it has really, as of late, pushed up the stock. So that is what is going on here to explain this huge hump here now. So if you look right here, friends, you can see that, all these quarterlies right here from going back to 2021 here until now, we're seeing very significant increase every quarter. That right there is a straight giveaway leading to breadcrumbs, is that this company is on the right track to keep their stock going up. So in this first quarter, they have already had a profit of $19.2 million of pure profit. And right here, you can see the last quarter was $33.5 million. So friends, what you're dealing with here is a company that specializes in big data analytics. It is a very, very massive company that is growing and turning into a huge corporation. And, in retrospect, it's kind of a new company, to be honest. It's only been around since 2003. I mean, that's pretty new in terms of company. So key points here, friends. We have a company that is bringing in pure profit right now. Their numbers are off the charts right now. Big data analytic companies are going to continue to grow here. These are going to be the big companies of the future. And there's something that we really need to really focus on. This isn't the most sexiest thing to put your money into. It's not the most craziest. It's more than likely going to be a slow growing stock. But nonetheless, it will be a growing stock. Even if by the end of the year, if we continue to see the stock each quarter grow from 10 to 15, maybe 20% off of its last quarter to new quarter, that's a huge increase compared to most stocks in the market right now. So friends, I can't stress enough, this is something that you really need to pay attention to if you're looking for a growth stock, if you're looking for something to get into early. Listen, do your own research, do your due diligence, really pay attention to what's going on with this company and with this stock. Like I said, I'm putting money into this. I'm going to see what happens here. I'm not saying this is something that's going to make you rich overnight. I'm just saying, hey, this is a company that's actually worth investing in because they're doing what a company is supposed to be doing. They're making money. And That's the most important part with any company, is that you want to see that they make money, they pay their bills, they pay their debt, and they have money in the bank to spend and to put back into their company. And there's, it just continues to grow. Friends, let me know what you think here about this company, what's going on here, and I wish all of you the best of luck. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.